Hello and welcome to RDM English podcast. In today's video, we are going to practice English sentences about our morning routine. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. Waking up. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I turn off my alarm. I turn off my alarm. I stretch my arms and get out of bed. I stretch my arms and get out of bed. I open the window to get some fresh air. I open the window to get some fresh air. I fold my blanket and arrange my bed. I fold my blanket and arrange my bed. Freshening up. I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth. I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. I take a shower to feel fresh. I take a shower to feel fresh. I comb my hair neatly. I comb my hair neatly. I put on clean clothes for the day. I put on clean clothes for the day. Morning exercises. I do some light stretching. I do some light stretching. I practice a few yoga poses. I practice a few yoga poses. I take a short morning walk. I take a short morning walk. I breathe deeply and relax my mind. I breathe deeply and relax my mind. I drink a glass of water after exercise. I drink a glass of water after exercise. Breakfast time. I go to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. I go to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. I make a cup of hot tea or coffee. I make a cup of hot tea or coffee. I eat healthy food every morning. I eat healthy food every morning. I like having fruits for breakfast. I like having fruits for breakfast. Sometimes I eat bread and eggs. Sometimes I eat bread and eggs. I sit at the table and enjoy my meal. I sit at the table and enjoy my meal. I wash the dishes after eating. I wash the dishes after eating. Getting ready for work or study. I check my phone for messages. I check my phone for messages. I look at my to-do list for the day. I look at my to-do list for the day. I pack my bag with the things I need. I pack my bag with the things I need. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I check the time before leaving. I check the time before leaving. I lock the door and step outside. I lock the door and step outside. Starting the day. I take a deep breath and smile. I take a deep breath and smile. I feel ready to start my day. I feel ready to start my day. I walk to the bus stop or my vehicle. I walk to the bus stop or my vehicle. I listen to music or podcasts while traveling. I listen to music or podcasts while traveling. I reach my destination and greet everyone with a smile. I reach my destination and greet everyone with a smile. Let's review a few sentences again. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth and take a shower. I eat a healthy breakfast. I pack my bag and go out for work. I start my day with a smile. Great job! Keep practicing every day with RDM English to improve your fluency and pronunciation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more shadowing practice videos.